Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to write unit tests with GitHub Copilot. So what you need to do first is open the Copilot chat sidebar. So you can do it with Control I, or you will just open right here at the top right corner. Uh, so toggle secondary sidebar. Now down here, you have this chat window where you can start chatting with your AI. Or if you prefer more like coding vibe, you can go to the plus icon and then select New Copilot CLI section. It will open up basically the whole separate tab right here. And as you can see, you can, where I deleting this now, you can type in what you would like. So let's say we want to write unit test for this function here. Make sure to cover edges cases, including null values, empty strings, and out of bound inputs. And basically, the Copilot will start making some, it will start generating what we put in. Now you will get asked which function should I write unit test for. So yeah, let's say just for one, that this video will not be too long. Now we need to wait again. So we have put in some input to this agent, and now we need to wait. As you can see now, it opened up basically the separate window here. If we go back here, do you want to edit? Let's say yes. Again, as you can see, it opened up the new window. So if we go back here, you will see that we have next question. Do you want to edit? Let's say no at telco. What to do different? Okay. Let's make it right. So now it's asking, do you want to run this command? Yes. And yeah, this is pretty much how you can write unit tests with GitHub Copilot. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.